Hello, and welcome to the Boston Dynamics headquarters. Today, I'm excited to announce the expansion of our Spot product line to include new capabilities and offerings that extend the already significant capabilities of Spot. When we launched Spot a little over a year ago, our vision was to bring to market the only robot in the world that can go where you go, offering a way to automate data capture and get eyes on work sites that have complex terrain. The reception of Spot by our customers has been tremendous. We've sold over 400 robots and nearly as many payloads. Our customers are using Spot in a huge variety of applications, from construction sites, where conditions change on a daily basis, to deep underground mines that feature rough and rocky terrain, inside nuclear power plants, keeping workers safe from radiation, and offshore rigs in the most treacherous seas in the world. An enterprise version of Spot that allows you to fully automate inspections of any length and frequency on work sites of any size. A web-based software add-on called Scout that allows you to operate Spot anytime, anywhere. And the Spot Arm, which makes remote manipulation easy and accessible, whether it's opening a door or cabinet, fetching a sample, or throwing a switch.
This is why leaders like BP, National Grid, and Merck are turning to Spot. In Spot, they see the opportunity to capture more frequent, reliable, and comprehensive data sets. Configuring Spot to carry a seismic sensor into a deep underground mine, or enabling the robot to track construction progress. This is the Spot you know today. But as Rob said, our work with customers over the past year has shown us that there's an opportunity for Spot to do more.
So, throwing cinder blocks is fun, but Spot can also have some fun with its arm. Here we see 3 Spot robots playing together. This jump rope behavior you see here serves to demonstrate both the capability of the robot and arm hardware, as well as the software suite that controls and coordinates them. While jumping rope may not be particularly relevant in an industrial setting, and when combined with the mobility of the base robot, results in a system that can flexibly access all of the environment around the robot. The arm weighs only 8 kilos, but is capable of picking up and carrying roughly 5 kilos. This gives the robot ample strength to interact with typical objects that the robot is likely to encounter in its environment, including dragging things like cinder blocks. This video demonstrates the robot being teleoperated to manipulate a variety of objects. We start by using a semi-autonomous grasping behavior to grasp and drag a hose. We can also see how the large workspace afforded by the combination of the arm and Spot's mobility can be used to nudge a container on the floor. Finally, we can see how the sensors in the gripper can be used to semi-autonomously grasp, pick, and place a tool. Here we see a fully automated door opening behavior we have developed in action, allowing the robot to quickly traverse a standard door. The door opening behavior merely requires the operator to point the robot at the door handle and tell the robot which side the hinge is on. After that, Spot takes care of all the details of pushing or pulling the door, using its foot to hold the door open while it re-grasps the door, and completes the task.